Hi guys, I'm Yola, your technology teacher. Today, I'll be teaching you about synchronization of a gear system. When we synchronize, it means we are going to use a small gear, which is called an idler. An idler will be put or will be placed between the two spare gears. Let's say now we have the driver gear. This one will say it is our driver gear. And then before we can insert our driven gear, we'll have a small gear that is meshing with the driver gear. You must make sure that it meshes. Then the cross, remember, it represents an axle, right? And then this is an idler. And then an idler will mesh with another big gear. There's an axle. So this will be our driven gear. So remember, when we were teaching you about counter rotation, we said that if the driven gear is rotating clockwise, then the driver gear will rotate anti-clockwise. So in this case, we have the driver gear. I'm going to indicate with the red color that the driver gear is rotating clockwise. Therefore, the idler, since the idler meshes with the driver gear, it means the idler will rotate anti-clockwise. I'm showing that with an arrow. Now that the idler is rotating anti-clockwise, the driver gear is rotating clockwise. Therefore, the driven gear will also rotate clockwise. Remember, the driver rotating clockwise meshed with an idler will then rotate anti-clockwise, and then the driven gear, which is meshing with an idler, will eventually rotate clockwise. So the gears that are doing the job now, since the driver gear is an input and the driven gear is an output, these are the two main gears that are doing the job. They both rotate to the same direction. That is now called synchronization. This means the gears are rotating to the same direction. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.